Hello everybody, this is going to be my last dissertation video, then I'm just going to start moving on to some more interesting locks. It's just now in the game the arthritis kicks in, so I kind of sit there like with the pick and that steady, so I like to pick dissertations. That's why the dissertations come in helpful, because obviously when you're picking locks, and that's like if you miss a day at the gym, you get a little bit down, what I do anyway, because like lock picking's like an addiction. So anyway, I've got this B twin. It's just a cheap bike lock, but not a bad quality lock. Obviously, just it would obviously be alright just for like a quick. If you just run in the shop for something to eat or something, you know what I mean, to grab like some pop or something like that. You can actually see the core up there. I'll show you. Let's actually dig it in. It's only got it's got like a steel pin through it. Just thought I'd show you that. Can you see it? See the steel pin going for that little back bit there? Just see it so I get closer. So give this a shot. Look, I'm going to try and pick it. I've never picked this. What I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and pick it, like front tension it, have a kind of front tension it, and get any joy of that. I'll use the silver bullet. But I was trying to pick this one, this Abus Plus. This is a this is a Abus Plus X. Was it Flexo? Proper tough. Proper tough. That is it. If you've got a quality bike, that's what something you want. Something like that. Proper tough as anything. But anything made from Abus is quite good. So, in this thing as well, you can't use the bog standard tensioner nose, so it goes right deep before you even pick up the first disc. But we've actually got a code here. I didn't see this before either. We've actually got a code stamped there, so you can see the camera picks it up. See it there? So we've got a note. What's that? A note. What's that saying? So the bottom discs, the 7 discs are note number, 6 discs 5, and then 7. So anyway, let's see if we can get this thing picked up now. You pick in, got a different tensioner nose on to reach that first disc. I think I've got a grab of it there. And start and work our way up on this one. Trying to make sure I've got that 7 disc, so obviously 7 is a note cut. I'm going to grab rid of it. And the next one, number 6. We're getting number 5. 6. Nice click there on number 5. 4. Shop online today or find your nearest store at Lock.Picked. Life is better outdoors. On your radio, on Global Player, and Play Smooth. Right, what I'm going to do. Oh, I felt like it negate that. Right, so okay, equipment number 7 again. Right. Okay, good. Right, I think the discs in here are dead skinny, slim. Start again. I'm getting a bit of feedback, but it isn't the best, like. Let's do a wiggle test, man, and show it is in a gate. It's definitely in a gate. It's in a gate. What I'll do is I'll try and get them all in a gate. I'll come out of the gate now, so I'll put that back in. That is in a gate now. Now I think it my calculations are right, it should be able to kind of rotate this bad boy. That's why it wasn't on 7 then. Damn it. It wasn't 7 I was on. It was number 7 I was on, damn it. Oh, there we go, I've got it open. I got it. So, if anybody wants a shot at this, let us know down and below, and I'll send it here. Obviously, you pay the postage, and I'll send it there. Like I say, once I've picked them, I don't mind sending them out. You know what I mean? Like certain ones, like I say, you can keep this or give it out to the community. But if anyone wants a shot at it, give us a shout, and you can have it. Like I say, like if I picked that one, I would lend that one out to certain people. You know what I mean? Once I've picked it. Obviously, it's like when you get a new bike or a new car, you're not going to let somebody else drive it before you. Yeah, you want to pick it before them and then lend them it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers. Ta-ra.